हेलो स्टूडेंट, मैं हूँ रज़ा और मैं आज आपको पिटमैन 700 बुक एक्सरसाइज नंबर 2 सेकंड हाफ की डिक्टेशन करवाने जा रहा हूँ। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। स्टार्ट नाउ कॉमा हाउएवर कॉमा थाउजेंड्स ऑफ कॉपीज ऑफ अ बुक कैन बी टर्नड आउट इन अ वेरी शॉर्ट टाइम कॉमा and the thoughts and ideas of one man can be read by millions full stop. This has its dangers comma of course comma as well as its advantages, for it may happen, and we have seen it happen, that a person with a powerful use of words can influence millions of people in the direction he desires full stop. For words are powerful things colon people are moved to action by words comma they are moved to action by the ideas expressed in words full stop. We know that in political life the man who is most successful is generally the man with the power to speak well comma to use words in a way that influences people to believe what he says full stop. We know that in business the best salesman is the one who can overcome his customers with words comma who can make them believe that what he has to sell is better than what other people have to sell full stop. The successful writer is not always the one who tells the best story, but the one who can best use words to express his ideas and the feelings of his characters full stop. New para. Nor are shorthand writers any less dependent upon words full stop. Shorthand writers depend upon words for their very existence as shorthand writers comma for without words there is no shorthand in the sense in which we understand it full stop. Even the old picture writing was a form of shorthand comma for one picture had to express quite a long story full stop. The modern shorthand writer is like the successful story writer comma the successful salesman comma the successful man in political life colon he depends for his success upon his knowledge of words comma and the use he makes of his knowledge full stop. The successful shorthand writer must understand and be able to use a very great number of words comma and he must know the words used in a very wide field of subjects full stop. New para. For the shorthand writer, life is indeed a matter of inverted comma start words comma words exclamation mark inverted commas close.